From machines so massive it takes weeks to move just a few miles to excavators that weigh more than 100 passenger jets combined. Here are the 15 biggest European machines of all time. 15. Volvo EC950F. Most people see the EC950F and think they already understand it. Big machine, big power, end of story. But there's one thing this excavator does that you'd never expect just by looking at it. This massive hydraulic excavator, built tall enough to rival multi-story buildings, suddenly moves with shocking precision. The machine combines raw lifting strength with precise hydraulic control, making it perfect for mining, quarrying, and heavy construction projects across Europe. Powered by a high-output engine and an advanced hydraulic system, the EC950F can move enormous amounts of earth and materials with accuracy. Its reinforced chassis handles the tremendous stresses of continuous heavy operation, while the cutting-edge operator cabin prioritizes safety and efficiency. The sophisticated control systems allow operators to manipulate tons of material with millimeter precision. 14. Liebherr R9800 Mining Excavator. Built by the German-Swiss Liebherr Group, the R9800 is a hydraulic excavator weighing 810 tons. Its bucket capacity ranges from 42 to 47 cubic meters. The machine is powered by two engines with a combined power of about 2,984 kilowatts. What sets it apart is its advanced hydraulic system offering precision control despite its massive size and a unique counterweight setup that provides incredible stability on uneven terrain. If you're amazed by this engineering giant, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting to the truly colossal machines that reshape entire landscapes. 13. Liebherr L R 13,000 Crawler Crane. Imagine a machine that can lift the weight of an entire power plant component 248 meters into the air. But this is just the beginning of large engineering marvels. The Liebherr LR 13,000 holds the title of the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane. It can lift an astounding 3,000 tons at a 12-meter radius. The main boom extends to 144 meters, roughly the height of a 40-story building, supported by 1,500 tons of derrick ballast and powered by a 1,000-kilowatt engine. Primarily deployed in power plant construction, it generates a mind-bending 65,000-ton-meter load torque, enabling lifts at heights up to 248 meters. This crawler crane is essential for projects where standard cranes simply can't reach or lift heavy enough. 12. La Princesse. When a mechanical spider stands 15 meters tall and requires 250 crew members just to move through city streets, you're witnessing performance art on an industrial scale. La Princesse is a 15-meter mechanical spider designed and operated by French performance art company La Machine, representing one of Europe's most ambitious kinetic sculptures. Weighing 37 tons, this arachnoid marvel features 50 axes of movement, allowing it to walk, climb buildings, and spray water from its abdomen with eerily lifelike motion. Up to 12 operators strap themselves directly to the spider's body to control its movements in real time, creating a unique fusion of human performers and machines. When operational, La Princesse moves at 2 miles per hour through urban environments, but relocating this mechanical beast requires a massive support operation. 16 cranes, 6 forklift trucks, 8 cherry pickers, and a crew of 250 people. From artistic engineering marvels, our next entry returns to pure industrial power as we drill through entire mountains. 11. Heron Connect Santa Lucia TBM. Imagine a circular drilling machine nearly 16 meters in diameter boring through solid mountain rock. Built by Germany's Heron Connect AG, this tunnel boring machine measures 15.87 meters in diameter for Italy's A1 motorway expansion. Weighing 4,500 tons and stretching over 100 meters in length, it's essentially a horizontal skyscraper that eats through rock. The machine excavated the 7,528-meter Santa Lucia tunnel using 61 rotating cutters. Deployed in the complex geology of the Apennine Mountains, it surpassed prior European records for tunnel diameter, and represented a massive advancement in infrastructure connectivity, reducing travel time through previously impassable terrain. Tunnel boring machines revolutionize infrastructure. But let's take to the skies with our next colossus. 10. Airbus A380-800. When an aircraft is so large that airports had to redesign their gates and runways just to accommodate it, you're witnessing history. Assembled by Airbus in Toulouse, France, the A380 is a double-decker giant measuring 72.7 meters long with a wingspan of 79.8 meters and standing 24.1 meters tall. Its empty weight hits around 280 tons, but at maximum takeoff, it can reach 575 tons. The aircraft has capacity for up to 853 passengers over a range of 15,000 kilometers, making it the world's largest passenger airliner. The double-deck design revolutionized long-haul aviation, offering unprecedented passenger capacity. Though production ended in 2021 due to changing market demands favoring smaller, more efficient twin-engine aircraft, the A380 remains an icon of European aerospace engineering. From the skies, we return to earth-moving equipment that truly earns the title massive. 9. Bagger 288 Bucket Wheel Excavator. Constructed by Krupp in 1978, the Bagger 288 weighs an incredible 13,500 tons, measuring 220 meters long, 46 meters wide, and standing 96 meters tall. Operating in Germany's Rhineland lignite mines, it moves 240,000 cubic meters of overburden daily at a pace of 10 meters per minute. The bucket wheel itself contains 18 buckets, each capable of holding several cubic meters of material. Despite its massive size, the Bagger 288 is self-propelled, crawling across the landscape on giant treads. Mining technology on this scale is staggering, but science demands its own category of massive machines. 8. Large Hadron Collider at CERN. Buried deep underground lies a 27-kilometer ring where particles race at nearly the speed of light. CERN's Large Hadron Collider, straddling the Swiss-French border near Geneva, forms the world's largest particle accelerator. The ring contains massive detectors, with Atlas alone weighing 7,000 tons. Operational since 2008, the LHC accelerates protons to 99.9999991%. The speed of light using 9,300 superconducting magnets cooled to -271 degrees Celsius. These collisions have led to groundbreaking discoveries, including confirmation of the Higgs boson in 2012, fundamentally advancing our understanding of physics. The LHC represents humanity's largest single experiment, built through collaboration of thousands of scientists from over 100 countries. 7. TELT TBM for Lyon-Turin. Boring through the Alps requires a machine 180 meters long, weighing over 3,000 tons. But the tunnel borers designed for Switzerland's greatest engineering project dwarf even this alpine giant. Herrenknecht's TBM for the Lyon-Turin rail link measures 10.4 meters in diameter and 180 meters long, weighing 2,300 tons. Powered by 5,000 kilowatts and equipped with 61 cutting discs, it grinds through solid alpine rock while simultaneously lining tunnels with 8 concrete segments per advance. This creates the infrastructure for high-speed rail connecting France and Italy through one of Europe's longest rail links. The machine navigates incredibly hard rock formations at record paces, demonstrating German engineering excellence in tackling alpine geological challenges. The Lyon-Turin project is monumental, but Liebherr's mining excavators demand attention once more. 6. Liebherr R996B mining excavator. Another Liebherr mining giant weighing 670 tons might seem massive, but we're building toward excavators that make this look almost compact in comparison. The Liebherr R996B features a 35 cubic meter bucket. Weighing 670 tons, it achieves enhanced stability through sophisticated counterweight design, critical when operating on the uneven terrain of open-pit mines. The machine delivers exceptional productivity in harsh mining environments, thanks to state-of-the-art hydraulics that provide responsive control despite the massive forces involved. Liebherr's excellence in mining equipment is undeniable, but Germany's bucket wheel excavators push size to extremes. 5. Bagger 293 Bucket Wheel Excavator. When a machine holds Guinness World Records as the heaviest land vehicle ever, you'd think nothing could top it. But we have even more impressive machines lying ahead. Built by Takraf in 1995, the Bagger 293 surpasses its predecessor at 14,200 tons. Standing 96 meters tall and stretching 225 meters long, it officially holds the Guinness World Record for the heaviest land vehicle. Operating in Germany's Hambach mine, it excavates 240,000 cubic meters of material daily using a massive 14-meter bucket wheel equipped with 18 buckets. Despite weighing over 14,000 tons, the Bagger 293 is self-propelled, crawling at 0.8 kilometers per hour on 12 Caterpillar tracks. This behemoth reshaped open-cast mining, allowing single machines to do the work of hundreds of smaller excavators. It requires a crew of 5 to operate, but can work around the clock. Mining on land reaches these incredible scales, but maritime engineering produced its own giants. 4. Antonov N225 Maria. Imagine an aircraft so enormous it could carry objects that would overwhelm nearly any other plane on Earth. A flying legend stretching wider than a football field. The Antonov N225 Maria is a flying legend and the largest aircraft ever to take to the skies. This 6-engine giant stretches over 84 meters in length and boasts a wingspan of 88.4 meters. Its cargo hold is so vast it can carry objects that would overwhelm nearly any other plane, from industrial machinery to entire rocket components, including the Soviet space shuttle Buran. With a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, the Maria could haul payloads exceeding 250 tons, demonstrating engineering on an epic scale. Only one was ever completed and fully operational, making it not just massive but extraordinarily rare. Tragically, this unique aircraft was destroyed during the 2022 conflict in Ukraine. But its legacy as the world's largest airplane by weight, length, and wingspan remains unmatched in aviation history. 3. LZ-129 Hindenburg Zeppelin. Imagine an aircraft 245 meters long, which is nearly 3 football fields and filled with enough hydrogen to light up a city. Built by Germany's Zeppelin company, the Hindenburg measured 245 meters long with a 41-meter diameter, filled with 200,000 cubic meters of hydrogen gas for buoyancy. It could lift a 112-ton payload while cruising at 135 kilometers per hour, carrying up to 90 passengers in luxury across the Atlantic Ocean. The Hindenburg represented the peak of rigid airship design, offering transoceanic travel before modern passenger jets existed. Tragically, it met its fiery end in 1937 during landing at Lakehurst, New Jersey, ending the era of passenger airships. By volume, it remains the largest aircraft ever to fly, larger than any airplane, past or present. Its spacious interior included dining rooms, lounges, and sleeping quarters rivaling ocean liners. From historical aviation giants, we descend underground to modern tunnel boring legends. 2. Heron Connect Gotthard TBMs. 400 meters long and weighing 10,000 tons each, these tunnel-boring machines carved through the Alps to create the world's longest rail tunnel. For Switzerland's 57-kilometer Gotthard Base Tunnel, Heron Connect built multiple TBMs reaching 9.5 meters in diameter, stretching over 440 meters long and weighing 3,000 tons each. These machines bored through solid alpine rock to create the world's longest railway tunnel, finishing ahead of schedule in 2010, despite extraordinary geological challenges including high-pressure water and varying rock formations. Multiple units worked simultaneously from different access points, setting records for both depth and length in tunnel boring. The project required removing 28 million tons of rock, equivalent to building 5 Giza pyramids. These machines operated under mountains with over 2,300 meters of rock overhead, in temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Creating the world's longest tunnel is remarkable, but our final two machines represent the absolute pinnacle of size. We're approaching the absolute titans. Drop a comment with which machine has impressed you most so far, and don't forget to subscribe. 1. Bagger 288/293. Series leaders. Nothing on Earth compares to these bucket wheel titans. At 96 meters tall and weighing up to 14,200 tons, Germany's Bagger series represents humanity's largest terrestrial machines, period. Built by Krupp and Takraf respectively, these bucket wheel excavators stand 96 meters tall, which is roughly equivalent to a 30-story building. The scale is almost incomprehensible. The bucket wheels alone measure 21.6 meters in diameter with 18 buckets, each continuously scooping earth as the wheel rotates. These titans require 5 operators but can work 24/7, powered by external electricity sources providing enough energy. They move on 12 caterpillar tracks, each distributing weight to prevent sinking into the earth they're excavating. These bucket wheel excavators define Europe's mining supremacy and stand as monuments to human engineering ambition. These engineering titans prove that European innovation knows no limits. So which machine impressed you most? Drop your answer in the comments below and subscribe to explore more incredible machines that push the boundaries of what's possible.